Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to remove credit or debit card on crypto.com app. In order to do this, you first have to launch your crypto.com mobile application, and once you are on the home page, you are going to see a bunch of different options like buy, sell, deposit and pay. So among the given options, you will have to tap on buy. Now for any reason, if you are not able to see these options on the home page, then you need to tap on the accounts tab or the trade tab in the bottom, and then you need to tap on buy. Now once you tap on buy, it will show you all of the cryptocurrencies that are available on crypto.com. So you just have to select any of these, as we want to just remove our credit or debit card. After selecting it, it will show you all of your payment methods that you have added over here, like Google Pay or your credit or your debit card. So you just have to select that particular credit or debit card which you want to remove. Then you need to just swipe to the left, and in the right hand section you will be able to see the remove button. So you simply need to tap on that remove button, then you need to tap on remove again. This way you will be able to easily remove your credit or your debit card on crypto.com app. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.